Hey everybody, welcome to Hippie Chick. Today I have an unboxing video. I actually ordered these cookies from Southern Pastries, and this is a card here that actually came in this box. As you can see, the boxes are already opened, and that is because when receiving them, I went on and opened them, and then after I opened them, I thought about it. I said, hey, why don't I show my subscribers, the cookies that I ordered. So that is why it's already open. But I wouldn't let my kids eat any of the cookies until after I had finished the video. So here we are, and let me put my glasses on, y'all, so I can read the card. And it says the person's name, and it says Baker at MySouthernPastries@gmail.com. Southern Pastries, where it's okay to have a sweet tooth. And then it has a telephone number, and the website you can go on is www.MySouthernPastries.com. So what I can do, I can put this in the description box, this information, if anybody, after seeing the cookies, wanted to order anything from the company. Okay, so I will say that this company is out of Virginia area, okay, and I'm actually in the Alabama area. So I ordered these, and this is the box that it came in, you guys, so you guys can see that. I'll put that right here. And it was really packaged really nicely. Take off my glasses. And inside was the cards here. He put a few cards in here, maybe about 3 or maybe 4 cards, and maybe some more down in the bottom. Okay, as you can see, you got the bubble wrap. Okay, and you guys, let me show you how pretty these cookies are. They are beautiful. Look, they're individually wrapped, and that one there, you can see that. That's a reindeer. Hope you guys can see this really nicely. I tried to bring my camera in closely so you guys can see that. And this is a snowflake. Really nice, right? Put it right here. Maybe you guys can see that while I'm putting them there. And there's some more snowflakes. And then I have a Christmas tree. And these are like assortments. So I'm going to have to put my glasses on. Let me see what it says on the back. He's got a cute little sticker there on the back. I guess SP for Southern Pastries. And then it says MySouthernPastries.com. And then the telephone number. Okay. And apparently he has that on each one of them, you guys. See how nicely that is? And look, they didn't break or anything when they came in. Okay, that's the bubble wrap. Take off that. So he's got it lined, looks like, with maybe 3 wraps on top. And then I got my ugly sweaters. I told him I wanted the ugly sweater cookies. So he got me some of those. Packaged me a few of those in here. Nice, right? That says ho, ho, ho. I'm going to stand up, you guys. I know you guys probably won't be able to see me, but that's okay. Because I really want you guys to be able to see these cookies and the details and stuff that he put into these cookies. They're really nice. Show that again. And y'all know my camera only records a certain amount of time before I have to start over. So I have to kind of be quick about it, y'all. Oh, I just broke that one. Oh, sorry. Because it definitely was not broke. Okay. And that's another one. And these are the same here. And I'll just put them here. And they are so nice, y'all. This is another ugly sweater. Okay. Another bubble wrap. More of the bubble wrap. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at the wreath, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that nice? Y'all, they are too pretty to eat. They are really gorgeous. And look at this. Look how nice. You guys, these are really nice, y'all. You know, and these are homemade, you guys. Homemade cookies. So, oh, look at this one. Ooh, that's a mitten. Alright. Another ugly sweater. Again, this is MySouthernPastries.com. I believe that's what he said. And like I say, I will definitely put that link in the description box. And that's the sweater with the penguin. And let's see. Oh, this is a stocking, you guys. Look at the stocking. Another ugly sweater, which is what I really, really love. And these are actually different flavors. I ordered some sugar cookies, and some of them are actually chocolate. And then this one here, this is like, I think he called these minis. And look how nicely they're packaged, you guys. He takes so much care when packaging. And it really shows. And then, let's see, I have another, okay, this is the Santa's cap, the Santa's hat. See that? Look at the detail. How nice, right? And then, okay, we have a snowman. How nice, right, you guys? These are so lovely. Again, you guys, and I'm going to read it off the card again because I don't want to, you know, get it wrong, especially when it is somebody's business. Oh, what is this? This is a card. Oh, cute. Okay, you guys, this is a card that apparently he put in, and it says, established 2009, Southern Pastries, a cupcake boutique. Thank you for supporting my small business. Yes. There's nothing in the world that can't be fixed with a little bit of love and a cupcake. Cheers. And it says www.MySouthernPastries.com. And I do know that he said you can go on that website and just see the different kind of things that he do. I don't think you can order from the website. I know he used to be able to. No, I don't know. I can't say that because I've looked at his stuff before, you guys. But you can go on the website and you can look at all the different kinds of cakes and goodies he makes. Now, you guys, he does more than cookies. When I say cakes, I mean he even do the wedding cakes. And you guys, he decorates so nicely. His stuff is very meticulous, so neat. I really can't explain it. You guys are going to have to go onto his website and take a look at the stuff that he does because it's really nice, really nice. And even on the Facebook, he has some stuff on Facebook as well. But his stuff is really gorgeous, and I'm not just saying that. It really truly is. As you can see, the work here, you know, speaks for itself. But I thought it was a nice touch. For him to add the little card in, you know. And I tell you, y'all, it's very important that we support, you know, small businesses because, you know, before a business can become large, they were small. So, you know, anytime anybody is doing something positive, I always want to try to support, even if it's not monetarily. Like a monetary support, I may support by sharing a video or just telling others about it. And if you knew me, you would know that I'm telling the truth. You know what I mean? Because I'm very big on that, on supporting small businesses. Because I do understand that, and that's because you know, I was a small business owner at one point in time, so I definitely understand it. So it is definitely something, if you know, find it in your heart and you want to support a small business, then you should definitely reach out to this company because they do spectacular work. Amazing, especially if you're in the Virginia area. Bristol, Manassas, and I don't really know a lot of the areas up there, but I do know Manassas is near, Bristol, Virginia is near, and I know you do a lot of stuff like in DC, um, in the DC area. So you guys, you know, hit him up, give him a call, or you can email him at, I'm gonna put on my glasses again because I don't want to get it wrong, because when it's somebody's business and they spend all their money, hard-earned money, trying to establish their business, you want to get that information correct. Okay, and it is MySouthernPastries at gmail.com. That is the email you can reach him at. But if you want to take a look at his items that he has, it is www.mysouthernpastries.com. Okay, so you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I hope everybody is having a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Happy holidays to everybody. I hope this video finds everybody well, and I hope everybody have a new and prosperous New Year. So you guys, I'm laughing because my son is off to the side, making me laugh, doing little funny dances and stuff, or what have you. But anyway, but you guys, I want to go ahead and end this video because, you know, like I say, it doesn't take it long before my time run off. But I just wanted again to just let you all see the beautiful cookies. And now I know my children will be happy because now they can eat them. Now they will be able to eat them. But they are so beautiful. And I can't wait because I want to take a few pictures of them. And I did reach out to him, and I let him know that I received my order and that the pictures that I saw on Facebook does not do these cookies justice. Meaning, the Facebook pictures, and this may be my phone or what have you. Everybody say my phone, my cell phone is trash. But I don't have like a really nice high-tech phone, I guess, or what have you. But the images that I saw on Facebook, they just don't give these cookies any justice. The colors and stuff are really very bright, vibrant, and when I saw them on Facebook, they wasn't as vibrant, even though I know that they were nice cookies because you can tell the detail that went into them and so forth, but the colors are much more vibrant in person, at least from my cell phone, like I say. Okay, you guys. Maybe y'all don't have a trashy phone like mine. I'm gonna have to get me another one. I have a new phone, y'all. I mean, my phone is not even 3 months old. Not even, probably right at 2 months old. But I'm gonna have to get another one. But anyway, you guys, I just want to go ahead and end this video. And thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And I'm going to sit back down because I don't think you can see me standing up there. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And if you guys are enjoying my videos, y'all please come on back and view my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Share my videos out. And thank you guys so much. And have a beautiful and wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.